My name's Juliet Eve and I'm a face painter. I've been painting about 20 years or so. So I'm here at Paradise Wildlife Park today to show you how to paint some popular faces. Right, well this is Jonathan and today I'm going to show you how to do devil makeup. So we're going to turn him to an evil devil because he's got a lovely red suit he's going to wear. So the bits that stick out will have the gold, and in between we'll have the red. So keep them just gently closed, that's great, well done Jonathan. So in that little corner there, and take it up slightly across the brow. So if you can imagine halfway along the brow, imagine a line at a kind of 45-degree angle. That's where I'm going to lift up. So there's a few essential lines when you're making either a monster or any kind of evil-looking character. And it's, if you frown, you can get, can you frown for me like that? Yes, perfect. See, he's got a crease here now. This muscle pushes in there. So when we're doing the makeup, we actually accentuate this little pad of skin that comes out, and just relax again. Right, now, that's basically all the black lines are done. We've done the nose, done the mouth. I am going to now get the white, the fewest possible strokes you can to create the shape. So I want to do this horn. So I'm literally going to lay my brush in one direction and then drag it round. So that's one. So it's pretty much done in two. There we go, I did that in two virtually. And then just now I've got the white here, and because I've just done those strokes, the brush is actually, the brush strokes are flattened slightly. So if I twist, I can get a nice fine point. So at this stage I take advantage of that. And now just to add the highlights to the raised eyebrows. Just a little bit more. Let's have a look at you. Fairly devilish. Now what I usually do is add some gold to the lips. Just open your mouth very slightly for me. That's lovely. Hold it like that. So there's some gold. Just to makes him look as though he's going to burn in hell. You look brilliant. So there we are. That is how to do devil makeup. Do you want to have a look, Jonathan? Don't be too scared. What do you think?
Good.
Is that all right?